guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm about to fix me a little seafood extravaganza. I have me some shrimp I'm about to peel and devein. I have me a little catfish I'm about to season and put my fish fry on. I have me a few breaded okra, and I have this fried green tomato. Well, green tomato I'm about to fry. I'm going to cut it up, put it in a little salt and pepper, and soak it in a little buttermilk. All right, here we go. I'm going to show you how to fry some fish and shrimp. Now I'm about to add my oil to the pan, and I'm going to put it just over the fish. And I've taken my fish and I've seasoned it, and I've put it in the fish fry. And I have me some seasoned fish fry. Zatarans, of course. And I'm just waiting for my oil to get hot enough to drop my fish in. And if you want to test your grease to see if it's hot enough, I'd say in about 3 minutes, you test it. And when that cornmeal start moving, you know your fish is hot. Your grease is hot enough. All right, my fish has been cooking for about 6 minutes. And I'm going to turn them over. And I have them on a medium high. And when I finish my fish, I'm going to put them on this paper towel and let the grease drain. And then I'm going to put in my fried green tomatoes. All right. Give these fish about another 2 minutes, and I'm going to take them out. All right, here we go. Here's our fish. And some people like it darker than others. Some people like it a little lighter than others. It's your preference, how you like it. But this is how I like mine. Golden brown. All right, my grease is still hot. I'm about to take my tomatoes that I've been soaking in my buttermilk and put them in my cornmeal. And I'm going to take my fried green tomatoes and lay them in the grease. Just like so. Fried green tomatoes. That's what we have here. And I'm going to let them fry for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. All right. I'm about to turn my fried green tomatoes. All right, let them cook for another minute or two on that side. All right, now here is my fried green tomatoes. I'm gonna let them stay on the paper towel and drain. And I'm about to put me some crunchy breaded okra into my frying pan. And here we go. Fried okra. All right, I've taken my okra out of the pot, out of the frying pan. And the last thing I'm going to cook is my shrimp. And I had to change my oil for my shrimp because my oil was getting a little too dark. And if your oil get dark, it's gonna change the color of your seafood. So I'm about to drop the shrimp in. All right, the same here. You're gonna take your cornmeal and you're gonna test it to see if your grease is hot so you can add your shrimp. All right, I've washed my shrimp, deveined them, seasoned them, put them in the cornmeal. Now I'm gonna drop them into the hot grease. And the reason why you want to do your shrimp last is because that fish fry seasoning gonna come off of your shrimp, and it's gonna be in the bottom of the pan. So you want to save your shrimp for last, because you're not gonna be able to use this grease after you finish your shrimp. All right, we're gonna let them cook for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. All right, we're about to turn our shrimp over. Been about a minute and a half. And we're gonna put it on a paper towel and let them drain. And here we have it, guys. Our shrimp. They're finished. And we're gonna put them on a paper towel and let it drain. And that's all it is. Just that simple. Just use your imagination. See how those shrimp came out? Perfect. It only take a couple of minutes for shrimp. A little bit longer for your fish. But for the shrimp, it only take a couple of minutes. And they ready. And here we have it, guys. Our fish, our shrimp, breaded okra, and fried green tomatoes. Nothing like some southern cooking. Here we go. Fried fish, fried shrimp, fried okra, and green fried tomatoes. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. Voila! Thanks for watching. All right, and here we have it, guys. Fried fish, fried shrimp, fried okra, and our fried green tomatoes. That's what we have here. Nothing like southern fried seafood. Nothing like it. Nothing like it. All right, guys, how's that fish?
It's really good.
You like it?
It's the best. And these fries.
All right, thanks.
Bye.
All right, thanks for watching. So I go to Pat's and pick up me some Louisiana shrimp. These shrimp come from Louisiana, huh?
For sure they do. This is up right here out of
Nothing
the
like
Gulf.
it. Nothing like it.
Yes, ma'am.
Where they come from? The Gulf of Mexico.
Yes, ma'am. That's gonna be, in other words, here. You ain't gonna be buying no Chinese crawfish tails and no shrimp from China. All gonna be local.
And I'm getting me some fish.
That's what I'm getting ready to bag up.
Give me,
Fresh Mississippi catfish. It came in today. Got 30 pounds in fresh.
oh,
today.
wow.
And
That's
it's
what I'm
usually
talking
around
about.
3 in a pound or so.
All right, well, give me 2 pounds.
Yes, ma'am.
And that's what we're going to cook tonight. Some fish and some shrimp from Pat's Seafood.
It's gonna be a local cuisine.
Yes, so we're going to have a Louisiana extravaganza tonight. I got me some fried green tomatoes. I got me some okra, corn, and some garlic potatoes. And we're going to do it right tonight.
I wonder what the poor people's gonna be eating.
God bless them. I don't know. If they come to my house, they can have some.
That's so sweet of you to say that. My dad used to say that. I wonder what the poor people. But his family was poor.
Really?
He had he had to shoot his own rabbits, and they had to go catch their own.
Oh, Lord, I don't know what I would have had to do if I had to eat rabbits. I probably would starve to death. I don't like rabbits.
Well, this for today.